The enigma of Loch Ness. Beneath the serene surface of Loch Ness in Scotland, a mystery has lurked for centuries. This is no ordinary body of water. Extending 23 miles in length and nearly 800 feet deep in places, Loch Ness holds more fresh water than all the lakes in England and Wales combined, but it's not its size that has captured the world's attention, it's the legend that lives beneath its surface, the elusive creature known as Nessie. Loch Ness has been a significant fixture in Scottish history even before the legend of Nessie surfaced. Its strategic position afforded it a crucial role in various historical events, from ancient tribal conflicts to the Jacobite risings. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that Loch Ness became synonymous with its most famous, albeit unseen, inhabitant. The legend of Nessie, the Loch Ness monster, has been a part of Scottish folklore for centuries. The earliest recorded sighting dates back to the 6th century when St. Columba reportedly encountered a beast in the River Ness. But it was in the 1930s, with the advent of photography, that the legend truly took hold. A photograph, now known as the surgeon's photograph, seemed to provide evidence of Nessie's existence, and the world was captivated. Since then, the fascination with Nessie has only grown. Scientists and enthusiasts alike have embarked on expeditions armed with sonar and underwater cameras in hopes of capturing a glimpse of the elusive creature. Despite numerous investigations and countless hours of research, the mystery of Nessie remains unsolved. But why does this legend persist? Why does the idea of a prehistoric creature lurking in the depths of a Scottish loch captivate us so? Perhaps it is the allure of the unknown, the thrill of the hunt, or simply the romance of a good old-fashioned mystery. Unraveling the mystery of Nessie is a journey through time, a quest that has captivated minds across ages and cultures. The tale of Nessie is as old as time itself, imprinted in the annals of Scottish folklore. This enigmatic creature's story begins in the 6th century, with the first recorded sighting by St. Columba. The Irish missionary reportedly encountered a beast in the River Ness, which he banished back to the depths with a stern command. This story, passed down through generations, marked the beginning of a legend that would captivate the world. Fast forward to the 19th century, when the construction of a road provided easier access to the loch's remote location. This development led to a surge in reported sightings, stoking the fires of the Nessie phenomenon. The creature was described as a large beast with a long neck, a description that has remained consistent throughout the years. But it wasn't until the 20th century that Nessie truly captured the public's imagination. In 1933, a local couple reported seeing an enormous creature rolling and plunging in the loch. Their account was published in the Inverness Courier, sparking a media frenzy and attracting attention from across the globe. The following year, in 1934, the infamous surgeon's photograph surfaced. This image, supposedly taken by a London surgeon named Robert Kenneth Wilson, showed a creature with a long neck emerging from the water, further fueling speculation and intrigue. Although later revealed as a hoax, the photograph's impact on the legend was undeniable. Throughout the decades, sightings of Nessie continued to pile up, each one adding a new layer to the mystery. From grainy photos to blurry videos and intriguing sonar readings, each piece of evidence, no matter how dubious, fed the public's fascination with the elusive creature of Loch Ness. As the sightings grew, so did the legend, turning Nessie into a global phenomenon. This enduring tale, filled with intrigue and mystery, continues to draw inquisitive minds and curious souls to the shores of Loch Ness, in the hopes of catching a glimpse of the legendary beast. With every sighting, the quest to uncover the truth about Nessie intensified. The Loch Ness monster, affectionately known as Nessie, has been the subject of numerous scientific expeditions. These ventures have been fueled by the desire to validate this enigmatic creature's existence, and they have employed various methods, from sonar explorations to DNA sampling. Over the years, Loch Ness has echoed with the hum of sonar equipment, its murky depths scrutinized for signs of life beyond the ordinary. There's a certain romance in this scientific quest, a dance of curiosity and discovery unfolding on this ancient, enigmatic loch. In the mid-20th century, several expeditions used sonar technology to map the loch's bottom and hopefully detect Nessie. Some of these expeditions reported contact with large moving underwater objects that could not be easily explained. However, none of them could definitively prove the existence of a creature matching Nessie's legendary description. In the 21st century, the hunt for Nessie took a new turn with the advent of environmental DNA or eDNA. This technique involves analyzing water samples for the tiny fragments of genetic material shed by organisms in their environment. In a significant eDNA survey of Loch Ness in 2018, scientists cataloged all the life forms in the loch by identifying the species from which the sampled DNA originated. The results? Well, they found no evidence of a monster. However, they did discover an unusually high amount of eel DNA, suggesting that some Nessie sightings might actually be giant eels. But as with all things Nessie, the results are open to interpretation, and the eel theory has its skeptics. Despite extensive search efforts, Nessie remains elusive, fueling more theories and speculation. The mystery of the Loch Ness monster persists, much like the deep, dark waters where she is believed to reside. Each unanswered question adds another layer to the legend, and the hunt for Nessie, it seems, is far from over. Beyond the realm of science and folklore, Nessie has found a place in our hearts and our culture. The Loch Ness monster has become an international sensation, seeping into various facets of popular culture. From films like The Water Horse, Legend of the Deep, to books like The Loch by Steve Alton, Nessie's intriguing tale has been narrated time and again. This mythical creature has also played a significant role in promoting Scottish tourism. Whether it's the allure of spotting Nessie from the shores of the loch or the thrill of exploring the Loch Ness Centre and exhibition, the legend continues to draw in curious travelers from around the globe. Nessie-inspired souvenirs, from plush toys to intricate artwork, have become symbols of the enigma that surrounds this Scottish lake. And let's not forget the various festivals celebrating the legend, which add a touch of whimsy to the Scottish culture. Nessie has transcended from a local legend to a global icon, a testament to the enduring allure of the unknown. The unsolved mystery of Nessie has given birth to a plethora of theories and speculations. Over the years, this enigmatic creature of Loch Ness has been the subject of countless debates, discussions, and conjectures. One of the most popular theories suggests that Nessie could be a plesiosaur, a prehistoric marine reptile believed to have gone extinct over 65 million years ago. The idea of a prehistoric creature lurking in the depths of Loch Ness certainly ignites the imagination. However, the lack of substantial evidence and the harsh reality of surviving through countless ice ages dampen the plausibility of this theory. Another widespread speculation is that Nessie could be a giant eel or a sturgeon, both of which are known to inhabit deep waters. The sightings of elongated and humped shapes could be attributed to these aquatic creatures, especially when seen from a distance or under poor visibility conditions. On the more fantastical side, some propose that Nessie might be a kelpie, a shape-shifting water spirit from Scottish folklore. These mythological creatures are said to haunt rivers and lochs, luring the unwary to their doom. Yet the most sobering theory of all is perhaps that Nessie is simply a misidentified mundane creature or a case of mistaken identity fueled by our innate desire for mystery and discovery. Optical illusions, floating debris, birdwakes, and even the notorious Loch Ness log have all been proposed as possible explanations for the sightings. However, despite the lack of definitive proof, the allure of Nessie continues to captivate our curiosity. As we grapple with these theories and speculations, we are reminded of the vastness of our world and the unexplored mysteries that lie beneath the surface. Whether Nessie is a prehistoric survivor, a misidentified creature, or merely a figment of our collective imagination, the debate continues. The legend of Nessie continues to captivate us, its mystery deep as the waters of Loch Ness itself. This elusive creature, hidden beneath the dark waves, has etched itself into our collective consciousness. Nessie is more than a legend. It's a symbol of our unquenchable thirst for knowledge and understanding the unknown. For centuries, this Scottish enigma has sparked curiosity, inspired explorations, and fueled scientific debates. It's a testament to human imagination and our relentless quest for truth. The Loch Ness monster, whether real or mythical, encapsulates our fascination with the undiscovered and the unexplained. Nessie's legacy is not just about a possible creature lurking in a Scottish lake. It's about our insatiable curiosity, our quest to unravel mysteries, and our desire to connect with the world around us. It's a narrative of hope, exploration, and the endless possibilities that lie beneath the surface. As we stand on the shores of Loch Ness, gazing into its depths, we are reminded of our enduring fascination with the mysteries of our world. As we draw closer to the end of our journey, it's clear that the legacy of Nessie is far from over. This is not a conclusion but a call to adventure. The mystery of the Loch Ness Monster beckons us to keep seeking, keep questioning, and keep exploring. It is a reminder that our world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So whether you're a seasoned explorer, an armchair adventurer, or a curious bystander, the story of Nessie invites you to dive into the depths of the unknown and embark on your own quest for the truth. Who knows what you might discover? And remember, every legend, every mystery, every riddle began with a question. So let the story of Nessie inspire you to ask your own questions, to seek your own answers, and to embrace the thrill of the unknown. Because in the end, it's not just about finding Nessie. It's about the journey, the discovery, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one to solve the enigma of Loch Ness. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mysteries of Loch Ness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more exciting explorations.